name being forgotten because of a gambling channel, and deleting all of his video and move to other games. That's only the view of what happened on all the members of Nightcrop SMP. June 25, 2024. Jens G Vlog, a Minecraft slash blogging content creator, will create the Nightcrop SMP. Nightcrop SMP is content creator only server, and it was supposed to be scripted server. Before I talk about how the server fall apart, let's talk about the players. Alan PH. Let's first talk about the least involved on the issue. Alan PH is a gamer slash blogging content creator that is known for his scripted content and story mode like the Blue Rider. He created his channel on December 29, 2023. He's the only member that didn't record any videos on the server. His role, he's King's teammate. His accomplishment, he's in the finals of the tournament on PvP, and he fought King PH but utterly defeated. After the Nightcrop SMP fall apart, he became a new member of Kidlat SMP, but after he learned that the Kidlat SMP are full of toxicity, he never joined an SMP again and continues his own video and reached 1k subs on the process. Marcelo. Marcelo, or Weather Update changed his name, is a Minecraft content creator that is known for his survival world. Created his channel on June 8, 2024. He joined the server on June 27, 2024, and his accomplishment, he even defeated King PH on a unofficial match, cementing himself as one of the strongest PvPer on Nightcrop. He is just a kid back then, and he is one of the least involved on the issue, but Jens banned him. We will learn the reason why later. Kenzer. Kenzer Gamer is a Minecraft content creator that created his channel on August 10, 2023 and joining the Nightcrop SMP on June 24, 2025. After the SMP fall apart and Jens left, the server goes to Kenzer and he uploaded a video to recruit more members, but after days he can't find any members, so he just let it and moved on. Even after that, he still upload and reach 1k subs and even join other SMP like Kidlat SMP. Jellyboy My PH. Jellyboy is a Minecraft content creator that created his channel on June 4, 2020 and he's the owner of Kidlat SMP. Which is after the Nightcrop SMP fall apart, almost all the member moves there, such as King PH, Alan PH, Kinser Gamer, Marcelo, and others. After the Season 1, Jellyboy and Jens G Vlog created Season 2, but doesn't take long and it shut down again. Jens G Vlog. Jens G Vlog is the owner of Nightcrop SMP and created his channel on April 4, 2024. I couldn't get any video or furthermore information from him because after the SMP fall apart, he deleted all of his video and moved to Mobile Legend. King PH. Now we will understand fully what exactly happened on Nightcrop SMP through his story. King PH created his first channel named JM Game Minecraft. He created more channel until January 14, 2023, which is the date that King PH created his channel, named King PH. King PH joined Nightcrop on June 26, 2024. King PH is a Minecraft content creator that thrived on Nightcrop SMP. He won the PvP tournament after he defeated Alan PH and win him a godly armor that make him the deadliest player on Nightcrop SMP, even possessing the one and only dragon egg on the server. Now we will learn what truly happened. First incident, inventory malfunctioning. King uploaded a video of him and Jens G Vlog PvPing. At the end of his video, Jens G Vlog left the game. What happened next is King dug up a trap that if Jens G Vlog joined the game, he will instantly die. When Jens joined the game and died, it didn't become a problem. But what happened next is the real problem. Seconds later in his video, we can see that he killed Jens one more time but didn't notice he accidentally collected Jens' item and wore his armor. Jens accused King PH that he stole his armor, but King PH denied it because he's clueless that he actually collected it. And besides, King's Minecraft is malfunctioning and he can't open his inventory, even a crafting table, so he can't do anything. When he realizes it, he quickly rejoined, but Gents G-Block already left the game. And on the end of his video, he stated, "After I rejoin, I quickly goes to Gents to return the armor and give him some diamonds, but he said go away." Let's analyze it. The prank happened because of immaturity. The immaturity led to argument, and the argument leads to fighting. So it's because of immaturity, right? Wrong. Because I think there was a deeper problem. Because after the incident, they quickly settled, and that's why we are on the second problem: admin abuse. Gents G-Block goes to King's base on 15k and prank him by filling his base with random blocks. King didn't like it and threatened to blow his base up. Even though King PH don't have TNT and he didn't mean what he said, Gents G-Block banned him and everyone else other than Kenser and Jellyboy. So the reason immaturity led to the downfall of the server, because they're just a kid back then. A kid forming a dream. So we can't blame anyone, and we just hope that one day they become friends again. Before we end this video, I think we forgot something. Oh yeah, what happened to King PH? Well, he created more videos and reached 1k subs, but after some times, his video become unentertaining and low quality. The momentum he built for years is gone after he reached 1k subs. He abandoned his channel and create a new one, believing fresh restart will gain back the fame he lost. But that's what he thought, because it never happened. The fame never. So he just stopped completely. And if we search his name on YouTube, which is King PH, the first channel that will appear is a gambling channel. I think we now uncovered the truth about Nightrap SMP. So I'm gonna finish this video. But if you're wondering how I got all this information, I'm King PH.